I posted a short a day or two after scalping the lawn that said I was about to make my first fertilizer application. It was ProPete 1704. And there were a few people in the comment section that I assume aren't from Texas that thought that it might be a little too early to put out any fertilizer. And a good rule of thumb on that is if your soil temps are at least 65 degrees, that you're good to go there. So we're gonna test it out. So I'm just using a meat thermometer that I've already dedicated to the lawn, and we're going to punch it in. And then we'll let it settle in on a temperature. And it looks like it's gonna settle down somewhere around that 75 degree mark. What's up guys, I'm Rhett. Welcome back to Lawn Insider. The main purpose of today's video is to be a 1 week post-scalp update, and we're starting out here in the backyard. I would say right now we're around 30 or 40% green up, and you're gonna notice that your yard does not green up at a uniform pace. Some areas are gonna get greener faster, and that's due to a number of things, but mainly it is sunlight, how much water it's getting, and how much foot traffic it's getting. So to tackle the timing question again, since our temperatures are warmer right now, that pretty much brings everything on the table as far as what you can do in your lawn. So if you want to put out fertilizer, you can. If you want to put out your bug killer, you can. If you want to put out a post-emergent herbicide because you've already got existing weed problems, you can. And I've already started to see several people ask if it's an okay time to do their leveling projects. And the answer to that is anytime your lawn is actively growing, you can do a leveling project. And right now, your lawn is definitely actively growing. If you're watching this and you have more questions than answers when it comes to Bermuda lawn care, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, but also visit lawninsider.com. There are several free resources on there, but most importantly, there is a Bermuda grass calendar that times out everything that you have to do throughout the year in terms of cultural practices and product applications, and you can choose your commitment level. There's a beginner, an intermediate, and an advanced. We're under shadows over here, but here is a look at the side yard. And we're mostly green over here. I would say maybe 70% green up. The areas that aren't green over here on the side yard are these spots that I actually verticut last week whenever I was scalping. I didn't verticut the entire lawn, but I have a few places that always seem to have trouble, and they were just really matted down, very, very thick stolons. So I figured I would take the opportunity while I scalped to go ahead and pull out the verticutter and try to thin it out a little bit too. And here is an example of what that looks like. And last but not least, here is the front yard. I would say roughly 50 or 60% green up. And since I've already fertilized, I don't have much lawn work to do other than mowing, edging, and watering, at least until April 1st. That's usually when I put out my first bug treatment. But I did turn on my irrigation system for the first time after scalping last week. It's run once. It'll probably stay on until around November or so. I hope we get more rain this year, but I'll believe it when I see it. But the main thing really is just to go out and stay consistent with your mowing, and then 2 or 3 weeks post-scalp, you'll have a full green up. So let this video be your sign that this is your year. The year you're not gonna let your whole lawn die out. You're not gonna let the weeds take over. You're not gonna let your neighbors dominate you. You might even win Yard of the Month. But to show me how serious you are about it, make sure you go to lawninsider.com, take advantage of all those free resources there, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up right here. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please leave it a like. If you're enjoying the content and you wanna continue to see more of it, hit that black subscribe button below the video. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I'll see y'all again soon. Lawn Insider out.